Okay, look where we're at now. We're trying to see if it's 1 and 2 and 3. It may resist this. Okay, look at this wick. It's 7 o'clock. Um, like I said, it may range. I think I spoke about that before. Now we're looking to see if it will can uh, form higher um, a higher a higher low and higher high off of this low, and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna look to see duplicate, duplicate, okay, because this here is another area of resistance. I didn't draw that one because your 200 is what everybody is looking for. So what I have right here, what I use here is this here is the 50, the 15, and the 200. Okay, that's my 200. So you can see that. That's a 200. No matter what you use, Fibonacci, I mean, Fibonacci, VWAP, it doesn't make a difference. You are basically trading off support and resistance. See, now this right here, we talked about catching the 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 first two. You're waiting to see 1 and 2 and 3. What is going to happen only because of the volatility that's going on in the market. That's all I know. I play this like a game, and here's my VIX over here. This is the game I play. This is what I want. This is what I pray to God to help me understand and see the reality of what it takes to trade. So trading isn't what I am, because I'm telling you, there is a gentleman that you need to watch. He's Chris Sane. I love that brother. He is, he's a man of my own heart. You have um, my boy, 13 Market Moves. These are all the guys that I sat here and just was going through YouTube channels and learning how to trade. I didn't come across the Chris Sane until this year, after I was learning how to trade. Then they started giving me more people that was solid to me. There's others. I'm just saying, you guys, look, no matter who you trading for, or what is, you should know and go back and do your due diligence. Okay, so I'll take this one, and then we'll come back and say, I want to see if this is going to be a three market top. Because see this right here, you know me, you'll buy in, but excuse me, guys, I got heartburn. There is a certain thing to knowing people are buy off it. This here went is a buy, but see, normally when I see a move like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I normally wait for you guys will hear me when you'll see that basically everything that I will apply to is your 13 moves. Okay, your 13, 14 candlesticks. There's a book. I'll leave it in there. It's on Amazon about your 14 candlestick patterns. Understanding this and just understanding your patterns is what you're trying to learn. You want to see if, like I said, this right here, I told you it will range. If you go to, let's go on our 5 minute, 5 minute. Your candlesticks started getting smaller. You know what I'm saying? The power isn't there. Let's look at our 15 minute. It should be. Let's go look at our 15. No matter what, like I said, we mentioned about is this sharing the third candle move, or is it going to top and resist this support and and go down? All I'm trying to show you is support and resistance. We're trying to see if this candle is going to continue to create higher, higher, higher lows and higher highs off of this low. So is it going to go, and then is it going to resist? This is my. Is it going to resist um, this level 1, 2, 3 and come down? But all you're saying, buy off support. It's something they always said: buy off support, sell on resistance, buy off resistance, sell on support. But you still want to, you gotta. It just doesn't play in and out like that because I mean, like I said, it might do this to get to support. It may do this to play into resistance. So I'm just saying, guys, certain time frames, I understand 7, 8, 10:30. Okay? See this right here? 10:30. If if it hasn't shown, then right here, 10:30 to all the way down, I might from here, it resisted double time. I figured within 2 hours, a 2 hour time frame. You'll figure that all out once you understand the times of when support and resistance plays in 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 10:30. From 10:30 to 11, 11:30, you're just trying to figure out what is going to, um, how it's going to continue. Is it going to resist and continue to go down? Resist here, 11:30. You see that time down there, guys? Look at that at the bottom if you can. I don't know if you can. Resist, come down. You'll understand how to play it once you get in it. I'm just sharing some knowledge that I'm able to and see VIX is still going up. Let's go back into. Let's go back over, guys. Okay. All right. Let's put you back into the main screen. So we're trying to see if this, if first, if VIX is going to resist or continue to hit the target price that that I put on, and you look at my YouTube video. Is this going to be VIX high? Is it going to resist and then come back down? This may be the only move that it might do because of what's going on. So a lot of times, day of expiration, Friday, what I found out, just a little bit of knowledge, is that it can play into time decay. Okay, it made this move, and VIX that's really high for VIX. Okay, and here we go. We're into the third candle of the 15-minute candle. Is this going to be a range candle, or is it going to go ahead and continue to try to resist this area? Okay, let me move this candle for you. I can't go live yet, but I will be doing Zoom as I go further in. But normally in the evening, I just want to share this support and resistance. Everybody, support and resistance. Okay, just please, if this helps you, leave it in a comment. Come back later. I don't expect anybody to actually view what I'm doing because I don't have a following. But I want to share this. 1, 2, and 3. Right now, VIX is still creating. In reality, off of this low, this could still be a higher low from holding resistance, from holding holding resistance. I'm gonna go back and cut my tape. I'm gonna cut this. This is it. I'm going to cut. Let me see. 15. Let's go to 5 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's see if I'm when I'm looking on a 3-minute candle. Let's move this out the way. Right now it's still showing resistance. So it may do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times and then come back down. Maybe not go all the way out. It may play this, or it may just keep, it may start to create um, um, a, like I said, higher lows off of this, because normally if you go last week on the spine, I said I was going to stop. Let me stop. Um, this was 672 and 673 was the area of support for the breakout. Okay, we're going to see if it's going to continue to create lows. So it may not even finish today, because I don't know. It's Good Friday. I don't know what it is. It might not finish out today, or it may, like I said, just range here. Um, just guys, oops, that's not even in my box. I'm sorry. I'm not even in. I'm not in my. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. There we go. There we go. I'm not. I wasn't in. I'm sorry. I wasn't there. I said I was gonna cut off. I don't want to make these videos that long, because it's unscripted. I just want you to see supporting resistance. Certain times, like I said, at 7 o'clock, and now we're getting close to probably New York time, 7:30, which would be 10:30, where you guys always hear somebody say, "Oh, a 10:30 reversal." Okay, um, is VIX going to reverse off of this, or is the reversal coming into play into here until 11 o'clock and then drop? Guys, this is fun to me. Right now, like I said, it took me 4 years to understand support and resistance. That's all I'm sharing with you right now. Support and resistance. Um, and there's a lot of guys out there. If you're not subscribing, Chris Sane, I gotta find my other young brother that's out there. He speaks so good. I'm only can show you better than I can tell you. So don't listen to me rambling, please. Um, Listen to what I'm able to point out. Support this, because this is resident support, and how it you got to understand, somehow enough it's going to call it. It's just the way it is, I guess. It's going to go to its 200. Everybody's holding to look into this, from my understanding, and then from there we have to see if it's going to create and go into this until you guys look, because we still got this right here, 671, 672. 672 is what I told you, from is the area of resistance that was shown, I believe it was 3 weeks ago, or 3 or 4 weeks ago, that it was supposed to be a breakout. And I think that was the time when there was a Fed meeting or something like that. But around that time, SPY was to go up and break off of 672, which would have been 685 target. It did hit that though. But I'm gonna get off. Don't want to bore you. I'm just putting this on for information purposes. Um, okay.